TST, a solutions company. In this video, we're going to go over the process of putting a holder on an electrode that you've created. To do this process, we're going to go into Electrode and down to Electrode Manager. Inside of Electrode Manager, we're going to add a new project. You have to put a name to the project, the other ones don't matter. Then we're going to select the workpiece, and the workpiece will come in as whatever the workpiece has been named in. And then you need to name the EDM group. This group could be whatever you want the group name to be. If you wanted it to be named cavity or core, you could name it whatever you'd like. Now it's going to ask you to pick an electrode. So we're going to pick this electrode, and it'll tell us that this electrode, this solid, is not an electrode. Do we want to define it as one? And we're going to just click yes. Once we click yes, you'll see that it starts to create a stock block on the back of the electrode. With this stock block, it's real simple and easy to change the sizes of this stock block to whatever size you desire. You can also change the total height of the electrode, or you can come down and change the location. If we want to put it on even numbers, it's as simple as just clicking this up, and we instantly put it on even numbers. It makes it very quick and easy to make sure your electrode is centered on even numbers to be able to post to the burner easier. The other thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we are in the manual origin mode. And what manual origin mode allows us to do is to pick the machining location for the electrode once we've made it. Now what we can do is add a holder from the library. So I can go in here and pick one of my row of holders. If I hit the W key on the keyboard, it moves to wireframe and makes it real easy to place this holder on the back of the tool. Once the holder is placed, if you don't have enough height, you can come into either the total height or the Z value and bump that height up. We have another option that allows us to check for collisions. I can check for collisions, and it'll check this part to see if this holder hits the job anywhere, and it tells us that there has been collisions detected. So it lifts the holder up the amount that it was colliding by. Since it lifts it up by that amount, what we're going to do is just crank this number up to get this holder up and out of the way. And now we can see, if we go back to our slider bar, we've got our electrode created and it's ready to go to be manufactured. We go ahead and hit apply. It's going to ask us for our 0 location of our machining. Go ahead and click OK and OK. And now we've created our electrode and we can move on to our next electrode. Thank you for watching.